Does your English sentences feel too simple, like something is missing? They are correct, but they don't sound interesting. They don't show how the action is happening. What if you could explain how someone walks, talks, studies, or works? Today, we'll learn simple grammar topic that will add clarity and personality to your English sentences. Hey English rockstars! I am Namrata and today we are learning adverbs in the easiest way. By the end of this video, you will begin to speak more clearly and confidently. Let's start right away. So, what exactly is an adverb? Simple answer. An adverb describes the verb. It tells us how an action is done. For example, the verb is walk. How does he walk? Slowly or quickly? He walks slowly. The verb is speak. How does she speak? Loudly or quietly? She speaks quietly. Let's try one more. The verb is run. Now, how does he run? Fast or slow? Yes, as you might have already guessed, he runs fast. Did you see the difference? Now, we get a much clearer picture in our head. That is the power of adverbs. Good news! If you have seen my last video about adjectives, you already know 90% of adverbs. Here's the easiest tool. You just take the adjective and add ly to the end. Let's try 8 common examples. Beautiful, beautifully. She dances beautifully. Quick, quickly. He replied quickly. Careful, carefully. Drive carefully on wet roads. Angry, angrily. He shouted angrily. Happy, happily. They played happily in the park. Easy, easily. She solved the puzzle easily. Polite, politely. She talks politely with everyone. Honest, honestly. He answered honestly. That's it. It's that simple. Most adverbs are made simply by adding ly at the end of the adjective. But as we all know, English likes to break rules. So remember these 3 important exceptions. Rule breaker 1. Good. Never say goodly. Adverb of good is well. She is a good singer. She sings well. Rule breaker 2. Fast. No such word as fastly. He is a fast runner. He runs fast. Rule breaker 3. Hard. Adverb stays hard. They are hard workers. They work hard. If you remember well, fast and hard, you will avoid a lot of mistakes. Okay, let's quickly recap everything. Adverb tells us how an action is done. Most adverbs equals adjective plus ly. There are always some rule breakers in English. Homework time. In the comments, write one sentence using an adverb. I will read your answers. If you enjoyed this lesson and learned something new, please like this video, subscribe to Namrata English Center and share it with a friend who wants to speak better English. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.